Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ghost the Freelancer. For today's video, we are working on a hit app called User Video Personalization Relevance Measurement. I found this one in CW and I'm thinking it is also available uh, to all other UHRS vendors. The code for this het app is 58130. Okay, so for us to pass the qualification, we need to answer 9 hits. Okay, so related videos relevance, we just have to judge the given video as well as the related video if it is relevant, related, not related, detrimental, cannot judge, and video cannot play. You have the guideline here. You also have a guideline that I believe is in a PDF file. You can, guys, where to find that. It's on top of the name of the hit app. Anyways, examples of relevant videos are these: loosely related, not totally related. Moving on, let's jump into the hit. Again, 9 hits to qualify. You can probably have one mistake. I'm not sure for how long this video will take. These videos here, they are loading really slow. Okay, so before we proceed, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell to get notified every time we upload a new video. As well as you can find us in Facebook. Our group name is ClickWorker Philippines and Ghostly Hitters. Let's move on. The given video is Metallica, Nothing Else Matters. And you also have here Nirvana, The Man Who Sold the World. I am going to judge this one as related. They are both rock music for me, and they belong to the same era, I think 90s. Um, do not ask me, guys, how and why I knew it. It's just that as you all know, working for UHRS, if you want to be really good at it, you have to read, you have to get a lot of experience, and of course, common sense. All right, so I'll judge this one as related. Not sure if I have it right or I got it right. Anyways, we got it right. Moving on to the next one. The video, again, it takes a long time to load. By the way, this is a very noisy hit app. You can just mute or lower down your volume. Title of the next hit or the video is Beginning a New Minecraft Adventure. This one is Finding a Village in Forest in Minecraft. uh Basing on this one, they okay, I'm quite confused on how to judge it. Beginning a new Minecraft adventure, finding a village in a forest in Minecraft. Relevant, 10 impossible goals. I am going to go with relevant here. It could be relevant or related. Let's give it a shot. Oh, we got it right. So, 7 hits more to pass the qualification. I'm a bit excited. I've seen this head up a long time ago. I just don't have time to, really study it and work or qualify for it. Moving on to the next hit. Again, the video is really slow when it loads. Anyways, this one, the title of the given video is iPhone SE and iPhone long-term review in 2021. Hold on a sec. Let's click on this links here. Let's see how it goes. iPhone SE, internet home screen, iPhone SE. This is the given video, and this is the video, or related video rather. Let's skip this part here. Come on. Oh, it's unskippable. Oh, there it is. Gizmo. Okay, look at this. Guys, this one, the given video is in English. This one is in Hindi. So this one will be judged as not related. Hold on a sec. Let me move here. Totally not related. Not related. Obviously, totally different. Different language. So it'll be not related. Moving on to the next hit. Again, the name of the hit app we are working on today is user video personalization relevance measurement. This one has a paid ad. No, it's taking a while to load. Let me close this out. Now you can wait for the videos to load within the head, or you can click on those links to open them on a new tab, but it slows down my computer. So how title of the video is how Disney's test track works, how the CN Tower was built, engineering and construction. Let's pull this up, guys. Let's look at this. Watch the video. How Disney's test track, how the CN Tower, uh, are of engineering. Okay, guys, they have a different topic, but both are from the same um, video uploader. It's Art of Engineering. You have to look at this as well. Good thing I opened it both on a different tab. You have to judge this one, even though the given video has a different topic from the related video. However, they are from the same channel. It will be related. Let's give this one a try. Told you. Okay, moving on to the next hit. Oh man, this video is going to be really long. Uh, all right, it's taking a while to load. I have enough patience for this today. Let me open the given video on a new tab, and let me open this one on a, another tab as well. So the given video of season the title. Let's see. Off season big vlogs week. Alex Bregman, top WC softball defensive playoffs. This is definitely not related. Why are they related? Slightly different content, but still along similar lines. How come? They are both sports. I overlooked that part. So please take note of that. One mistake, guys. I think you can only have one mistake for this hit app qualification, and then you have to retake it. I would suggest. Okay, I forgot which one is the given video. I'm gonna pull up the given video again here, and I'm gonna pull this up as well. Okay, the first tab is the given video. Enter the Caraverse with that's different. How are cities organized? Crash course, geography 46. I'll judge this one. They're of different topic, as you can see. I'm gonna go here with not related. Why? Both videos are from. Oh God, I forgot. Yeah, crash course. We might have to take or retake this qualification, but I think we're learning at least. Um, moving on to the next one. Given video is this pink just like fire. Lyrics pink just like fire. Both are of the same video. It's relevant. Told you. Two mistakes. I'm not sure if we are going to pass it. I really feel nervous. Well, unhappy by now. Let's see how it goes. This one is the given video. Little Green by Joni Mitchell. And this one is what would happen if you didn't Cordelia Gartside. Okay, this is going to be irrelevant or not related. Surprise! It's submitting. Wish me luck on this one. It's submitting, guys. It's taking a while to load. Not sure why. Told you it's relevant. Almost exactly the same. How come? I'm gonna agree to that. So I got three mistakes already. Let me close this out. I have to be really careful here. Let's try again. Uh, this is the given video, and this is the related video. Given video is inside the Apple ecosystem. History of one more thing. Guys, I'm gonna go here with related. Yep. Oh, we pass it. Oh my goodness. So, whew, that was 9 hits to pass. We got three mistakes. I hope you all took a note on those hit apps that we have answered wrong. So when you take the qualification, you'll be able to avoid them. Again, my name is Ghost the Freelancer. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you all for your support. And what else can I say? Yeah, just a reminder to please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so to get notified every time a new video has been uploaded, as well as our Facebook group as ClickWorker Philippines and Ghostly Hitters. Name of the hit app again is User Video Personalization Relevance Measurement. Thank you all for watching and have a good day. Bye for now.